How do I see my purchase history on Temu? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your purchase history on Temu. So let's begin. First, open up your App Store and search for Temu. Now if you don't have it installed, you can tap on install, and if you don't have it updated, tap on update. After you've done that, open up Temu. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your Temu account, this page will open up. Now on the bottom, you will see U section. Tap on U. Now after you've done that, you will see your orders. Now there are a lot of options here. Just tap on your order. After you've done that, you will see a lot of options on the top. Now on the top, you will see all orders, processing, shipped, and delivered. Now all the purchases that you've made on Temu will appear here on your delivered. Now these are your orders that you have gotten already, and hence this is your history. So yeah, that is how you see your purchase history on Temu. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.